Hi, I'm Lucie Low. I'm Chief Science Officer for Axiom Space, and I am a 2025 Karman Fellow. In preparation for our trip to India for Karman Week in just a couple of weeks, we've been asked to think about some of the questions that are really important to us as we go into this week. And one of the questions is, what are your specific ambitions for the Karman Fellowship? And for me, the specific ambition is really to meet and to work with an incredible group of fellows, not just from this year, but from previous years as well. This incredible global community of space thought leaders that are shaping the future of what we're going to do in space in future. So I'm tremendously excited to be able to bring this community together, or join this community. And my specific ambitions for this Karman Fellowship is to figure out how I can elevate research in microgravity as we go through a transition from a government-sponsored access to commercial ecosystem and access to space through commercial companies in future, and what that means for academic researchers so that we can continue to do really impactful and important science over the coming years. The International Space Station may be being retired, but the questions about understanding ourselves and our place in the universe, they haven't gone away, and we've still got lots and lots of work to do. So I'm really excited to get together with a phenomenal group of people, try and answer some of the hard questions about access to space and about what we want that to look like and how we can work together as a global community to push that forward in future, and I can't wait. In preparation for our upcoming trip to India for Karman Week, some of the questions we've been asked to think about are, what issue or opportunity do you truly care about most in the future of space? And I'm a hardcore scientist, so for me, the key is about access to space for researchers, for scientists going forward. How do we make sure that we can continue to allow uninterrupted access so that we can do really important and significant and interesting science in space that is not only going to help us stay healthy and safe in space for long periods of time, but what are the things that we can learn that will translate back to impact back here on Earth, whether that's for biomedical research or for clinical development or for testing out technologies that we can use in different environments back here on Earth. So I think that the science that we can do in space is a phenomenal opportunity for the whole world to get involved in. I'm really looking forward to having conversations with an incredible group of people about how we can continue to ensure access to space is available, and how we can get new countries and new researchers and new companies that have never thought about doing anything in space, how we can get them involved and interested so that they can get access to space for this incredible environment to do some really cool science as well. So yeah, science nerd. We are currently preparing for our trip to India for Karman Week, and I could not be more excited. One of the questions we've been asked to think about is, what excites you specifically about Karman Week this year being held in India? And I'm thinking, where do I start? The food, the people, the culture, the history. I just literally can't wait. I know how hospitable Indians are, and I cannot wait to get out there and meet an incredible group of people. We're so indebted to our hosts at SatSure, who are going to be doing a fantastic job of making us feel welcome. But convening this incredible group of Karman Fellows in this vibrant, exciting, beautiful country, I cannot wait to get there. And not only that, but India is so hot right now. It has such great spacefaring ambitions. It has so much excitement around everything they're doing in space. And I think just being surrounded by that energy and being surrounded by that enthusiasm, and again, being surrounded by the food, yeah, I can't wait. I'll see you there.